Every avocado in this store traces back to one single tree. Not a variety, the exact same tree, copied a million times. In 1926, a mailman plants a sapling behind his California home. He nearly chops it down twice, calling the fruit a failure. He patents the tree in 1935 and licenses every single cutting. He dies broke in 1952, never seeing his billion-dollar legacy. Now, every commercial tree on Earth carries his identical clone DNA. Avocados can't grow true from seed. Only grafting keeps them alive. Growers graft one bud onto rootstock, orchard after identical orchard. It's precision cloning at scale, and it has one fatal weakness. A hidden root rot spreads silently, suffocating everything it touches. In 2002, that same rot kills the original mother tree itself. In Florida, a mutant fungus already devours entire avocado groves. One unwashed tool can spread the infection before anyone notices. Growers now guard sealed nurseries like the last line of defense. Scientists race to breed rootstock that can outlast the rot. Drones lift off at dawn, scanning orchards for signs of death. Invisible wavelengths reveal disease weeks before a human eye could. Every inch of soil is tested, measured, and mapped for risk. In sterile labs, DNA tests catch infection days before symptoms show. None of it cures the threat. It only buys borrowed time. Nearly every avocado America eats grows on one Mexican mountainside. Pickers harvest the fruit hard and green, racing the clock. Within hours, the fruit is graded, chilled, and boxed for shipping. Ice water shocks the fruit cold before it ever leaves home. Every truck crosses one border checkpoint, the nation's only bottleneck. One threat against one inspector can freeze the entire supply chain. Shelves go bare within days. There is no second Michoacán. Come Super Bowl week, America devours 100 million pounds. Bruised fruit gets a second life, pureed into frozen guacamole. Cold-pressed oil streams out, gold from fruit no one could sell. Almost nothing from this fragile empire is ever truly wasted. Growers clear native pine forests to plant more of the same tree. Thirsty orchards drain the water tables dry, mile after mile. Green gold draws cartels, and cartels threaten the men who guard it. One security incident can freeze a country's entire supply overnight. Prices swing wildly. This fruit is far less stable than it looks. Climate change tightens its grip on an already thirsty region. The rot and the fungus remain permanent, unsolved, unbeaten threats. Farmers plant in Peru, Colombia, California, anywhere but Mexico. But it's the same clone everywhere. Nowhere is truly safe. Engineers fight every new threat, one narrow victory at a time. It's still, genetically, the same tree a mailman almost destroyed. Now scientists gamble on rewriting its genome before disease wins first. You slice it onto toast without ever knowing any of this. Behind that simple fruit sits 100 years of fragile empire. One genome, one tree, the whole world's supply, hanging in balance.